Hey guys, I'm Katie. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing some drawing. Yay! So today is St. Patrick's Day. So woohoo. So yay, I'm wearing green, and yay, the parades are all cancelled in Ireland. Yay, due to the coronavirus. At least we get 2 weeks off school. But yay, woohoo, yay. So today I'm going to be drawing some daffodils. Well, just one daffodil to be honest. And I just love daffodils because like when I think spring, I think flowers, and when I think flowers, I think daffodil. Because daffodils are just my favorite flower, and I think they're really pretty. So yeah, I recently learned how to draw them. So let's get into the video. So here's my sketchbook, and it says by Katie because it's by Katie. Here's a quick sketchbook tour. Here is a drawing of Camila Cabello. Here's a drawing of Ariana Grande. Here's another failed drawing. Here's Camila Cabello. Here is a beautiful masterpiece. And here is another blank page. I'm selling it on eBay for £1,000,000. So yeah. So we're going to start off with drawing a disc shape like this. And once you've done that, you can just like follow along while doing this, or you can like pause it, or you can just watch it for fun. I don't mind you giving me a bunch of views. So next we're going to do a line here and a line here to make like a bell kind of thing. Maybe make it a little longer and less stupid looking like mine. And it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are happy accidents, according to Bob Ross. He's great. So next, we're going to draw 3 lines here. And once you've done that, we're going to do 2 lines down here. These are going to be the middle part of our petals. So we're just going to do a not perfect line here and just follow along with me because I'm not good at explaining things, even though I do voiceovers on art videos for a life. So yeah, we're just going to do a few more of them. Also, I'm sorry if my voice is really really sounding or stupid sounding because I pretty much just woke up. So yeah, because I wanted to have a day to get the video ready. So next we're going to make the stem. So we're just going to come down here and then down here. So we can always add more petals if we want to. So I'm just going to add one here because it looks a bit bare. So more petals. So next we're going to do a massive line up here. And then we're going to do 2 dots on either side. They don't have to be big. You don't even have to do this step. But that's just like a guideline to making a massive leaf. And then the next step is to make a line up here, then make a line here, and then kind of make a little V here, just to give it a bit of texture, I guess. And then we're going to come down here like this, just make that a little longer, and draw a line there, and that's going to be our second leaf. Then we can just add some final details like roughening up these edges because daffodils are not perfect. Even though they are beautiful, they're still not perfect. So I'm just going to do that and then just going to do that kind of thing. I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you can customize the surroundings. You can draw some birds like this, some birds. And then you can draw some grass. My grass is very ugly looking, but that's okay. So, yeah, there we go. So here's a painting that I did just like it. And say hello to Ronald the bean. He is a beautiful bean. So, yeah. Hey again, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe and turn on notifications if you want to get notified every time I post a new video. And you can share it with your friends. I'm sure they would love to get into the spring mood with you. I'm sorry. I'll leave you alone. But yeah, I really hope you find it easier to draw flowers now. And yeah, if I had comments, I would tell you to comment down below your favorite flower or your favorite season, but unfortunately you can't do that now. Thanks YouTube. I'm gonna stop rambling and ranting on YouTube. So yeah, yay, bye.